you cannot go on. You feel so lost and that you're so alone. What you see is night and darkness all around. You feel so